In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access invite-only scripts on Tradingview. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, invite-only scripts can give you access to powerful tools and strategies created by some of the best minds in the Tradingview community. These scripts can help you elevate your trading game by providing unique insights, but they come with a bit of a learning curve to access. Don't worry though, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to understand, publish, and request access to these invite-only scripts. Now, before we dive in, it's worth mentioning that Tradingview is the platform we'll be working with today. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, or if you're using the free version, you'll need to upgrade to a Pro Plus or Premium plan to follow along fully. You can find a link in the description to sign up or upgrade your account. Let's start by understanding what invite-only scripts are on Tradingview. These are specialized indicators or strategies that have been developed by experienced traders or developers. Unlike public scripts that anyone can access, invite-only scripts are gated. This means that you'll need explicit permission from the creator, or in many cases, you'll need to purchase access. The reason for this exclusivity is that these scripts often encapsulate valuable insights, proprietary strategies, or advanced functionality that isn't available elsewhere. So if you come across one, it's worth taking the time to understand how to access it properly. Now that we've covered what invite-only scripts are, let's shift gears and talk about how you can publish your own invite-only script in case you're a developer or trader who wants to share your work selectively. Start by opening the Pine script editor in Tradingview. This is where you'll write your script, whether you're creating a custom indicator or a trading strategy. Once you've completed your script and you're ready to share it, click the Publish Indicator button. At this point, you'll be prompted to fill in the name and description of your script. Take your time with this step. A clear and detailed description isn't just for other users, it's for your future self too. It helps everyone understand the purpose and functionality of your script at a glance. After filling in these fields, click Continue to move forward. Now, here's the important part. When you reach the visibility options, select Invite Only. This setting ensures that only those you approve can access your script. Keep in mind that if you're still using the free version of Tradingview, you'll see a prompt to upgrade your plan at this stage. Without an upgraded plan, this feature won't be available. And that's how you can publish an invite-only script. Next up, let's talk about how to access an invite-only script created by someone else. First, you'll need to identify the author of the script you're interested in. Oftentimes, this information is available in community posts, forums, or directly on Tradingview. Once you know who the author is, the next step is to reach out to them. You'll typically need to request access either through a direct message or by following the process they've outlined, which might involve purchasing the script or establishing a collaboration. Be clear and professional in your communication, as this step is key to gaining their approval. Once the author has approved your request, you don't need to do anything else to install the script manually. Approved scripts will automatically appear in your indicators list within Tradingview. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It can sometimes take a moment for the system to update. From there, simply click on the script in your list to add it to your chart and start using it. And there you have it. You now know what invite-only scripts are, how to publish one, and how to request access to one created by someone else. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.